Hello, and you join me for a Louis Vuitton Festive unboxing. So let's start off with the bag. This is the new packaging for 2023. As you can see, it's quite simple. It's plain white, quite plain at the sides, and it's got little red straps. And as you can see, you've got a little Vivian there, quite playful, quite characterful, with kind of this gold debossed font on the front. Around the back, it's the exact same, so it's duplicated on both sides. So that's the new packaging for 2023. Nothing exciting inside. Oh, I've got a little fragrance actually. So out with the pay card or whatever they give you, what we've got with the receipt. I have got a sample for Le Mans too, which is nice. I didn't realise that was in there. I did unbox this on YouTube first, so that's why the ribbon's off. But here we go for TikTok. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this gem. Now, you can see we've got some tissue paper. And this looks exciting as it could possibly be. This is the Louis Vuitton travel book for London. I picked this up while I was in Harrods in London during the week of work, and I thought, why not get the travel book for London while I'm there? So this is what it looks like. Now, coincidentally, I've actually bought this before and I completely forgot. So if you've ever forgot you've purchased something and you bought a duplicate, that's what's happened. So this is what it looks like on the inside. We've got images of various parts of London, just kind of watercolour in this iteration. They're quite nice little coffee books, and I've got a few of them. I just completely forgot I had the London one. So my plan is to go and exchange this for another one. So I'm in Edinburgh, Louis Vuitton, beginning of December, and I want to get this exchanged for one of the other ones. So I have got the Edinburgh one and the Arctic one and a few others like the New York. So my plan is to just exchange it and get another one, because there's no point having two of the same book in my collection. I just need to pay attention next time that I'm purchasing it. I just got carried away being in London in the moment in Harrods, and I was like, yeah, let's go for it, when I could have probably just went for another book. But it serves me right for not paying attention. But the travel books themselves are really nice. It's kind of got like a fabric material there with the kind of waxed cardboard, high quality print. And they used to be about £35, I'm sure. Now they're 46, so they've went up a little bit in price. But inflation, etc., I guess. But anyway, that's what it looks like. I wanted to show you the new packaging as well. If you like this video, why not subscribe to my TikTok? I'll see you next video. Thanks.